In the Islamic tradition, the history of human beings is a profound narrative that is deeply rooted in the divine creation and guidance of Allah. According to the teachings of Islam, as depicted in the Holy Quran, the origins of humanity can be traced back to the intentional and purposeful creation of the first human, Adam, by the Almighty. The Quran emphasizes that the creation of human beings was not a random or accidental occurrence, but rather a deliberate and meticulously planned act of the divine. The Quran states that Allah created the first man, Adam, from clay, and then breathed life into him, imbuing him with the capacity for reason, intellect, and spiritual awareness. This divine act of creation is seen as the foundation upon which the entire history of humanity is built. The Quranic narrative of human history then goes on to describe the subsequent creation of the first woman, Hawa, Eve, from Adam's rib, as well as the divine instructions and guidance given to the first human couple. The Quran highlights the unique position of humans within the larger scheme of creation, asserting that they were created as the most noble and honored of all creatures, endowed with the capacity to serve as Allah's vicegerents on earth. The Quranic perspective on human evolution differs significantly from the modern scientific theory of evolution, which is often based on the concept of natural selection and the gradual development of species over time. The Quran rejects the notion of evolution driven solely by natural accidents or chance, and instead emphasizes the intentional and purposeful nature of the creation of human beings. According to the Quran, the evolution of human beings was not a blind or random process, but rather a carefully orchestrated plan by the divine creator. The Quran asserts that humans and animals are distinct creations, with significant gaps in their mental potential, social skills, and spiritual awareness. The Quranic narrative of human history also highlights the role of divine guidance and revelation in shaping the course of human civilization. The Quran teaches that throughout history, Allah has sent prophets and messengers to guide humanity towards the path of righteousness and to convey the divine message of Islam. These prophets, including figures such as Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and Mohammed, peace be upon them, are seen as the bearers of divine wisdom and the custodians of the true faith. Their lives and teachings are considered essential to understanding the broader context of human history and the divine plan for humanity. The Quran also emphasizes the concept of human free will and the responsibility that comes with it. While humans are created by Allah, they are endowed with the capacity to make their own choices and to determine the course of their lives. The Quran teaches that humans will be held accountable for their actions on the Day of Judgment, and that their ultimate destiny is determined by the choices they make during their earthly existence. In conclusion, the Islamic perspective on the history of human beings, as depicted in the Holy Quran, is a profound and comprehensive narrative that emphasizes the divine creation, guidance, and purpose behind the existence of humanity. This perspective offers a unique and insightful understanding of the origins and evolution of human civilization, and serves as a guiding light for Muslims in their spiritual and moral journey.